Welcome everyone to our special Eid edition. Today, we're diving into the world of stunning Eid hairstyles for girls that will make you shine during the festivities. Whether you're attending family gatherings, Eid prayers, or just celebrating at home, the right hairstyle can elevate your look and add that extra sparkle to your outfit. So let's get started with some beautiful and easy to create hairstyles that are perfect for Eid. First up, we have the classic braided crown. This timeless style is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your Eid look. Simply part your hair down the middle. Create 2 braids on either side and wrap them around your head like a crown. Secure with bobby pins and you're ready to go. This style pairs beautifully with traditional outfits, like abayas or sharaz, and gives off a regal vibe. Next, let's talk about the half-up, half-down hairstyle. This versatile look is a favorite for many because it's both chic and effortless. Gather the top half of your hair, twist or braid it, and secure it with a pretty hairpin or clip. Leave the rest of your hair flowing for a soft, romantic look. You can even add some curls or waves to the lower half for extra glamour. This style works wonderfully with modern Eid outfits and is perfect for girls who want a balanced look. For those who love a bit of sparkle, the accessorized ponytail is a must-try. Create a high or low ponytail and wrap a decorative scarf or embellished hair tie around it. You can also add some jeweled hairpins or pearls for a luxurious touch. This hairstyle is quick, easy, and adds a festive flair to your Eid ensemble. It's ideal for girls who want to keep their hair out of their face while still looking stylish. If you're feeling adventurous, why not try the bubble braid? This playful and trendy hairstyle involves sectioning your ponytail into small segments and tying them with elastic bands to create a bubble effect. It's fun, unique, and perfect for younger girls or those who want to add a modern twist to their Eid look. Pair it with colorful hair accessories to make it even more festive. Lastly, we have the elegant bun. Whether it's a sleek low bun or a messy high bun, this hairstyle is a classic choice for Eid. Add some fresh flowers, pearls, or a decorative hairpiece to make it stand out. The bun is perfect for showcasing statement earrings and complements traditional outfits, like lehengas or kaftans beautifully. So, there you have it, 5 gorgeous Eid hairstyles for girls that are sure to make you the star of the celebration. Don't forget to accessorize and add your personal touch to these styles. Eid is all about joy, togetherness, and looking your best. So have fun experimenting with these looks. Thank you for watching, and we wish you and your loved ones a blessed and beautiful